Hey guys, Jonah here, and it is giveaway time again, and this week I'm drawing the 5 winners from my video visiting OBI in Poland, which is a big Polish hardware store where I found loads of interesting and cool tools, and I added a Zollstock to my collection, an OBI Zollstock, and I picked up an extra 5 for a giveaway, and all you had to do was drop a comment in the video and make sure you subscribed, and I can see that 326 of you guys did that, so I'm going to pick 5 winners, starting with number 1. First up, we've got Ammo Skull, a legend of whatnot. Well done, Ammo. You've said, all that pretty red and black in the background. Well, happy days, there was a lot of Kubrick toolboxes in OBI, and part of our reason for visiting Poland was to head to the Kubrick factory. And if you've not seen the Kubrick factory tour, go and check it out here. It's a very, very cool video. But congratulations, Ammo. Great to see a legend and an OG of the channel winning one of the prizes. Next up, we've got Rose Ironworks, who says, love the 3-way adjustable thumb detecting nut chuffer. Can confirm Lux is OBI's house brand. Available in Slovakia too. Yeah, Lux have some crazy stuff. I always find a few cool Lux quirky products. Congratulations, Rose. Let's go for our third winner. Mylis says, Lux tools you can always find in Finland. It is apparently a German brand. Yeah, well, there we go. That goes quite well with the second comment. Lux is the OBI house brand, private label. And our fourth winner is J786 United. United, love it. Yeah, boy, that wrench, hammer and socket is quality. It is, and I've still got it in my drawer. That's going to possibly go in my compact toolkit. And our fifth and final winner is Kunelli says, good to see different boxes. Currently looking for a set for myself. The bottle opener hammer though. Bottle opener hammer. I've got one of them from Bauhaus and one from OBI, and they are definitely one of the quirkier tools that I found. And if you're looking for a Kubrick toolbox, head over to topnotchtools.co.uk. That is my website. We sell quirky tools over there from a bunch of different brands that you can't get anywhere else, including Kubrick. We have the full complement of Kubrick boxes over at Top Notch Tools at the best prices. I'll put a link in the description, and if you head over there, you also get free Shadow Phone vouchers too. So definitely worth picking up your boxes from there. So congratulations to all 5 of our winners. I will get in touch with you all and get your addresses and send these over to you wherever you are in the world. And don't worry if you've missed out on this giveaway, because there's still plenty of active giveaways over on the Jonah Schoen channel. So I'll put a link up here. Head back to the Jonah Schoen channel, watch a few of the latest videos, drop a comment, make sure you subscribe, and you won't miss the next one. So congratulations to our winners, and I'll see you next time.